Hello, Nomad Sculpt brushes part 1. It's about pressure settings. Um, okay, I make smaller videos. This is very complex, I think, the brushes. Okay, Nomad app. This is a demonstration cube higher, and for this demonstration we use a clay brush. I bring it to the default settings, and I think these are the default settings of the clay brush. Use global settings. By default, the tools share the same pressure settings. You can check this on off and adjust your settings for every brush separately. Okay, but now the global settings are on. Okay, let's test the clay brush with this settings. Intensity is 100%, and the clay brush works like this. And now when I clay on the other side, I use a little less pressure, and yes, every stroke is a little bit different to the other strokes. Okay, if you want to use always the same stroke as before, you can change the pressure settings. Here, the settings, I can use this flat one for the radius, and it means the radius stays the same, and I use the flat one also for the intensity. And now nothing should change with the pressure of the pen. I'm using the same. Now I can brush here always with the same. I'm pressing hard, nothing changes, and the radius stays. And it's useful, for example, when you use this alpha or this, make it a little bit okay. Now you can draw always the same stroke. And when you go higher with your intensity, every time the same. Okay, this is also very useful for brushes like the flattened brush. When the default settings are to this curves, and you want to flatten something, and you press harder, you can control it. And when you change the settings to the flat one, you can now flatten every corner with the same settings and pressure of your pencil. Nothing changes. And for the flattened brush, you can also use flat fall off, and you can reduce the stroke spacing, and then you get really smooth flatten edges. Yes. Yes, and you can, your interaction with the finger and the stylus, you can set it here. Okay, I think that's all about the pressure. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.